Hello there, it's Halo with the Multi-Emperor Report, and today we are talking sobre the tema of all things Multi-Emperor. Yeah, so we've got Cyclone Mahasen moving inland, pretty much is still on the same track that has predicted to be this whole time. Of course, now you can see that the spaghetti models, which were, some of them were predicting landfall over here, are now pretty much converged on this area. Indian Meteorological Department has a warning out for rainfall and squally winds and stuff, and on the Myanmar side they are up to orange, was it? That it is coded orange stage or whatnot, so there's, because there's going to be definite ill impacts to that area if we've got the satellite on this thing. This thing looks like the outer bands. Actually, let's go to the storm track page and take a look at the satellite loop, give a better picture of what's going on. This thing, the outer bands of it, look like it's already impacting the Indian coast over there, but predicted to actually make landfall up here somewhere. So yes, that is Mahasen, that is what's going over there. And over here, aquí tenemos nuestra primera zona de probabilidad de huracán saison 2013, however you say that in Spanish, I have no idea. So yes, we went from, yesterday it was just spaghetti models. The season officially starts tomorrow, I believe, at 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. How exciting. So 90 EP now actually does officially have a 30% chance of tropical cyclone formation over there. So yes, if this thing does turn into something, this would be either a tropical storm or hurricane Alvin. That's the first name of the season for the Eastern Pacific Basin. Yes. And then aquí tenemos Herunta. No, it's German, isn't it? Anyway, we've got a low chance of tropical cyclone formation off the northwestern coast. If I can, is north-south dyslexic? I have no idea. But apparently not much predicted to become of that, because the Bureau of Meteorology on that one downgrades it to very low and very low the day after. So maybe something there, maybe not. And still don't know about this one, former Jamala. I don't know how recently the spaghetti models have been updated on that one, so maybe there'll be regeneration. Can we spot it? There you go. This, I'm presuming, is ex-tropical cyclone Jamala. So maybe there'll be some regeneration, but maybe not. And no outlook area on it as of the moment, so probably not anytime soon if it does occur. Right. So moving on to United States, Estados Unidos, or something multi-emperor, we have a mesoscale discussion, in fact, but no watches nor warnings at the moment. The mesoscale discussion is for isolated damaging wind gusts possible through the afternoon, weather watch not needed. They've got a 5% chance of watch issuance on that one. But the actual slight risk today is down there in Texas. So, there we go. Okay, so here is the wind map for today. This is indicating the probability of severe winds, which would be winds 58 miles per hour or greater. So that's where the mesoscale discussion is. So apparently the isolated damaging wind gusts. And then here's where your 15% is for the day. Here is where it's indicating the probability of severe hail, which would be hail 1 inch or larger. And tornadoes, again, not a huge threat. Doesn't mean they can't happen, just means it's not really predicted or what not. Tomorrow, just a 5% chance, but two different areas of 5% tomorrow. Day three, day tres, yes. It winds down to less than 5% all areas, but then in the medium range, we do have two different areas. So May 18th, which would be, this is the May 18th, and this is the May 19th outlook. So something could potentially happen with there. Yes. Captain suggests that initiation may be hindered and stuff may happen, whatever may occur. Right, so if you are in any of those areas, and frankly, when it's this far out, I would say if you're in any of these areas, you should be paying attention just to make sure, because, when it's this far out, sometimes they're right on the money, and sometimes things change, and then, it moves, and I don't know. That's why you pay attention. Every day, cada dia, you gotta pay attention or something. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Yes, that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.